Hey there friends, Martin from Matthews Studio Equipment coming to you from our Burbank facility here where we have a great little studio, but it is a great little studio. That's not gonna stop us from sharing our mini boom rolling kit. I just want you to know that we are pretty compact here. This guy really extends into a much greater dimension, but today we're gonna keep it within the constraints of our little seamless right here. We got the mini boom up top, we got the C+ riser of the 40-inch variety right here, and our runway base. That's a kit. We worked with amazing portraiture photographer, Jeremy Saffer. He takes shots of all sorts of celebrities, musicians, a lot of work in the metal world. He actually did a shoot in Nashville with Dave Mustaine from Megadeth. We are very, very proud to help him put together a travel kit, and we'll do another video on that travel kit. Today, we're gonna talk about what he uses in his studio. It's a mini boom rolling kit. It makes things a lot easier for you. It keeps your light out of the way. You can position it wherever you want. You can roll it around. It's really awesome. Let's talk about the parts involved here. We have the mini boom right here. Really, really great. 8 pounds at the end of it is a great capacity right there. And right now we have the Aperture 120D with the Light Dome 2 modifier on the front of it. We have the control grid over there, keeping your light really directional. Really great little setup right here. And here's the ballast hanging on the back. We have a real cool hook to hang our BOA bag. We got a 5-pound BOA bag on the back. We have a 15-pound BOA bag down below, keeping a little bit more weight on there to be able to give it some extra stability. When you're putting the mini boom onto your C+ riser, you have a 5/8 receiver that goes right onto the baby pin at the top of the riser. Normally you find this riser on our C+ C stand, the 40-inch, but you can buy it separately or in a kit like this for various applications. Really cool tool, really great for this particular setup. And down below, we have our runway base. The runway base has a junior receiver down below, so you can pop the junior pin at the bottom of your C+ riser right into there, and then you have this awesome footprint, keeps it really low to the ground, and it just rolls all over the place. Check it out. I'll try to stay in the frame. It rolls over cables because they're oversized non-marking Tente casters. Once you lock them, they lock in swivel as well as rolling rotation. So it's really cool. They're dual locking casters. There you go. And this mini boom, it will extend to 7 feet. This C+ riser, it will rise up to 10 feet. So you have a lot of reach with that. Unfortunately, I can't show it to you right in the studio space, but use your imagination. We're a creative bunch. It makes it really easy for you to be able to maneuver your light around when you are doing a session, a photo shoot, and you have your subject in the zone and you're in the zone and you're being creative and everything's going really well. You don't want to drag a bunch of stands around and have to relight, and you want to keep things fluid and you want to keep your momentum going, and that's why we have this guy. If you have your talent up on a balcony, you can keep your light on the ground and get it up to where you need it with this setup. If you want to be able to get it really low, no problem. You just lower it down, just like so. Loosen this knuckle right there, and there you have it. I covered myself up. There we go. It's very easy to move this guy around and to get your light where you need it. Cranking things down, always making sure all your T-handles are secured. Always make sure your boom is over one of your legs and that you have some sand or some weight on your base. Really awesome setup. Wanted to share it with you guys. Once again, it can be used for videography, for filming, getting a backlight where you need it. It's a really good setup. But in your stills studio, when you're doing your beautiful photography, this is a wonderful tool to have. We really appreciate our still shooters and the still photography community. And we want to design from the inside of the industry out. That's what we're known for. That's why we're Matthews. That's why our gear makes sense, because we talk to the people who have their hands on it. That's who we design with. That's who we are. So check us out, msegrip.com. This is our mini boom rolling kit. We have a travel kit on there as well for you still photographers that we also worked with Jeremy Saffer, I was mentioning before. Check him out, jeremysaffer.com. Check out his IG account. Buy his book, it's awesome. And thank you for listening. More to come, msegrip.com. I'm gonna go stand behind this modifier and do a little magic.